Alright guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we're starting off next to the ginormous brick pyramid we built in the last episode, based on the brick pyramid structure from an early InfDev version. Now, between episodes, I've done a little bit of work on the outside and inside, and by a little bit, I mean quite a lot. Firstly, I made this this little bit of a ring of grass and wood and brick that goes all the way around. This grass here is kind of gross, but there's some bright grass over there. It's just not quite finished spreading, but I'll show you. I'll go up to the top and you can see it better. So yeah, as you can see, it just goes all the way around. It's very basic. It's kind of hollow underneath. I kind of need to maybe add like cobblestone around the outside and take it down to the bottom of the sea level, because I didn't bring the pyramid down to the bottom of the sea level, which kind of wouldn't necessarily have been the case in that InfDev version. Another thing I kind of want to do with these this strip here, like this is just very bare bones. I just thought I'd put something in just so it didn't look as bad, and that I could walk around it easier. Yeah, I kind of want to put like lights, some kind of lights in there, so at night, like as you walk across here, you know, you'll be able to see what's going on, and mobs won't spawn in that. I have also spent many hours on the floor design in here. Now, I just sort of came up with a couple of basic designs, nothing too crazy, and then I just chucked it in and basically copy-pasted it in here, because I wasn't entirely sure what I want in here, and I still don't really know. I think, like, my idea for building this was literally just because I wanted the pyramid in here. I didn't necessarily have an idea of any functional purpose that it could have. And you guys came up with some pretty cool suggestions in the comments. But I think for now, I might just leave this empty, and maybe we'll come back and revisit it one day. But yeah, this is the floor design I kind of came up with. It's pretty simple. It's just a repeating pattern, and it's nice and lit up, which I think has a cool effect. When you look at it and it's dark up top and then kind of glows up the side of the walls. I should also add that this obsidian has meaning. So in the same version that this brick pyramid generates in, so do on the major axes big obsidian walls. It's super strange, but they're pretty cool. So yeah, I thought I'd kind of represent those on the ground here, which I think was also suggested, which is pretty cool. But yeah, there's a chest in the middle of here right now, and that's because I got a map and I mapped out what it looks like to have the pyramid here, and the pyramid's like gray for some reason. I don't know. It's kind of strange. But yeah, I thought I'd do that just so you guys can see what it looks like. But it's going to be a bit of a mishmash of things going on today. You'll see that my fog is really low and that my my video settings are turned to fast. For whatever reason, my world is starting to get really laggy and choppy when I'm in this area, when I'm by the brick pyramid. Really laggy and choppy, possibly due to redstone. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but I keep crashing and things. It's a bit frustrating, but I'm going to ignore it for now because I can't seem to solve it just yet, so hopefully the video quality is good. But anyway, I wanted to mess around and show you guys something, and that is this cursed bit of... I don't even know what this is. Cursed bit of Minecraft something. We've got a piston pushing a painting, and the painting doesn't pop off, it just sits halfway down the middle of a block. So, yeah, this is an off-centered block, something you probably will never see anywhere else in Minecraft. I don't know what this is. I built another one down here 2 seconds ago because I was just testing it. But yeah, it's pretty funky looking. And yeah, when I retract it, I think it should pop off now. Or not, I guess. That's interesting. Interesting, because this one I think was popping off. Yeah, this one pops off. But if I think you can also do it with, you can also do it with long paintings. Yeah, you can do it with every kind of painting. Yeah, I thought it would just be an interesting thing to show off. But it looks like that one up top isn't popping off, which is very interesting. I wonder if that's always going to be the case. Maybe it's like is light dependent or something weird. Let's see if we can get a long one here and do the same thing. Yeah, weird. I'm not sure why that's the case. But this one's stuck around, so maybe we'll keep this one around. A little off... Oh! Huh. Maybe it was technically attached to a block somehow. What if I try... What if I try something like this? And go... No. Okay. Now that is you wouldn't realize something's too wrong with it unless you were like paying attention. That's funny. Okay, I want to make another one of those. Okay, so after a bit more testing, I found that you can push the painting along. This is like the best example I can give. Push it along here, so as you can see, it's very far from where it was. It was there, now it's like over here. We can even probably push it one more, and we can push it as many times as we want, but just to really hit home. So yeah, look, you see how far away it is from its original block. I can punch here, and nothing happens, and there it is. So I think it's actually just a visual bug, because as you can see, it's over there. If I save and quit the title, and then go back into my world, it's back to where it was, which is interesting. So technically it never leaves that position, but I don't know, I guess visually you can push it along, maybe. I don't really know why it's doing that, but it's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's not going to stick around even if we push it up like this. As soon as I log out and log back in, it'll go back to its original spot. So yeah, that's interesting. I like that though. It's kind of funny, kind of a random quirk, something you will never see again. Yeah, pushing paintings with pistons. I wonder if I can push it off onto here. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Like this way. Like, what is that? It's just in the middle of the... Huh? Can I open my doors? I can. That's so funny. Yeah. So yeah, I don't think there's really a limit to where they can be pushed. And then yeah, I can actually interact with it like that. So yeah, very interesting. Very interesting. Alright, but enough funny business. I've been challenged. That's right, I've been challenged by Toby63912 because now that I have this dupe machine that works, he pointed out that it would probably be a good idea to use that for good and tap into the nostalgic childhoods of all of us and build a diamond house, a diamond and gold and iron and valuable house using that dupe machine somewhere in the world. Now he's given me permission to blow it up, but I'm probably not going to blow it up. It's a monument. It's going to stay there. It's a testament to the fact that we duped using that machine. And my plan is to put it over here. I'm going to try and convert this area here into a diamond, into a valuable island. It's going to be valuable island. I actually don't know if it is an island. I think it might be just a big land mass. I'm not sure, but it looks like an island from here, so I'm calling it Valuable Island. Or, I don't know, if you guys have a better name for valuable, I don't know. Let me know. But, yeah, in the next episode, I'm going to be converting all of this island into some valuable stuff. And we're going to build the nostalgic diamond house that I'm sure we've all built in our past. Or at least, I'm going to try and build the one I used to build. But yeah, that's going to be in the next episode, so stay tuned for that. That is going to end it for today. I know it was a bit of a less eventful one, but next episode is something to look forward to. I'm going to be cranking it over there for the foreseeable future. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Laters.